24, an inference question. One of these 5 scenarios we can prove is true based on this rule. Notice that this rule, well, first of all, the rule is, in order to be a valid contract, it has to be based on a legitimate offer. A legitimate offer would be one that no reasonable person would believe had been offered in jest. Notice that it doesn't say would be one that wasn't offered in jest. It would say that the person wouldn't believe was offered in jest. So if you would believe that the offer is made in jest, then it's not a legitimate offer. And if it's not a legitimate offer for whatever reason, if it's not a legitimate offer, then you don't have a valid contract. All right, so there's the rule. Now, notice that that rule allows us to prove when a contract is not valid. If a reasonable person would believe it was made in jest, or if it were not a legitimate offer, then it's not a valid contract. Nothing about this rule would give us any grounds for being able to prove that an offer or a contract was valid. We just don't have the grounds for knowing when it's valid. In order to be valid, it has to do these things, but just because it does those things doesn't mean it's valid. All right, and I think that's enough to get rid of all bad answers. And you just see, again, the argument for conditional symbolization. You see that if Sal made Veronica an illegitimate offer, if it's not a legitimate offer, then they do not have a valid contract.